Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello to all judges, teachers and friends. My name is Izdia bin Mahazan. I'm a year 5 student from Sekolah Kebangsaan Permatang Pasir, Banting, Selangor. Today, I am going to review a book titled A Treasury of Quran Stories. It was written by Dr. Tahira Arshad and published by Maqbul Books, Pakistan. This book is part of the Quran Stories series. For your information, this collection has consists of 6 books, each featuring several popular stories from the Quran. Unfortunately, I only have 4 books from the collection. Anyway, let's move on to my book review task. As I mentioned earlier, today I will be reviewing A Treasury of Quran Stories. This book has 99 pages and contains 6 stories. All 6 stories in this book are amazing and interesting. I love them all. But for today's book review, I have chosen one story in particular. It is the story of Prophet Yunus a.s. and the fish. Allah sent Prophet Yunus to the people of a place called Nineveh. He lived among them for a long time, guiding them towards the right path as Allah commanded him. But the people of Nineveh refused to listen to him. Prophet Yunus felt sad and disappointed. Out of frustration, he left Nineveh without waiting for Allah's permission. He went to a seaport, found a ship sailing to a distant land, and boarded it. Soon after the ship set sail, a violent storm struck. The crew struggled to keep the ship steady, but the storm grew stronger. When it seemed like the ship would break apart, Prophet Yunus was thrown into the sea. As he struggled to stay afloat, a huge fish swallowed him. Inside the belly of the fish, he found himself in complete darkness. But Alhamdulillah, he was still alive. It was then that Prophet Yunus realized his mistake. He had left his people without completing his duty. He was supposed to do his best to guide them. Filled with regret, he prayed to Allah. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. There is no God except Allah. Glory be to you. I have done wrong. Allah heard his prayer and forgave him. Allah commanded the fish to release Prophet Yunus. So, the fish swam to the shore and safely spat him out on the sand. After recovering his strength, Prophet Yunus returned to Nineveh and once again called his people to the right path. This time, the people of Nineveh listened to him. During his absence, they had faced many hardships, and so they finally became true followers of Allah's commands. And that, my friends, is the story of Prophet Yunus a.s. What do you think about this story? Isn't it interesting? I think so too. From this story, we learn that we should always be grateful for Allah's mercy and never lose hope. We must give our best effort in everything we do. Inshallah, we will achieve our dream. And don't forget to memorize Prophet Yunus Dua and recite it daily. That's all from me for now. Have a nice day and thank you.